We got this new channel coming out, Driving with 60BaeGrey.
Oh,
no cap. Driving with 60BaeGrey. No cap. Back with another video. No cap. 60BaeGrey, the real drip. No cap. We outside. Well, we inside because we in the garage. It's hotter than the mug out there. No cap. So, hey guys. Listen, it's hot outside. I got the drip on. Oh, I got my little Batman watch. Hey, like, comment, subscribe. You're driving with 60BaeGrey, the real drip, no cap. All right, and we out here. I got to use my selfie stick today. Anyway, well, a different camera. Camera problems, man. I did not know this was hot. This is harder than what I thought it was going to be. No cap. Okay. You see all that junk in the back of my, yeah, over there in the background. Anyway, this video right here, I'm trying to tell you, it's going to be lit. So, hey, take out your popcorn, get your drinks. Man, I'm getting tired, man. Bruh, I need to do some, push-ups or something. Anyway, we're going to be talking about one of the subscribers hit me up and asked me why I wanted why I got the Z51 package. Okay. And, again, I'm filming here. This is my first time doing this. So if my videos look crazy, I've been switching between cameras to cameras. And right now I'm using my cell phone. So the reason why I got the Z51 package, yes, I'm bouncing all around them in, I'm out, or whatever, trying to keep y'all engaged, whatever, right? The reason why I got the Z51 package, because they forced me to.
What?
Yes. They, who's that? The General Motors, Chevy. Chevy said, when I placed my order, my desire was, not my desire, my order was a 2LT, Corvette with red seat belts and the red calipers, and I had performance seats. Okay, the seats you see right here, these are performance seats, and then I had performance exhaust. Well, they called the I know I keep moving around, my arms tired. They called the dealer and said, well, 60BaeGrey, he can't get that car. He has to get the Z51 package. Oh, okay. Salesman calls me up and said, hey, 60Bae. I said, what's up, player? He said, you can't get the car you wanted. You got to get the Z51 package. So you got a choice. You can get the car and then we'll move on, or you can jump out of line, and then when they release regular orders like the one you wanted to get, you can jump back in line. So I said, you know what? Let me just go ahead and jump in line, stay in line, and go ahead and get the car. So I end up getting the Z51 package out of default. Now, one of the things about what actually happened is I just wanted y'all to see the car, see the real drip. You see, you got that right there in the passenger seat. You driving the 60BaeGrey. So the actual Z51 package was a package that I necessarily didn't want because it's a racing package, okay? And we're going to go over that shortly. I'm going to tell you what's all with that. Now, I have the best of both worlds because if I decide to sell the car, I have a racing package in the car, and this is a HTC hardtop convertible. So for the racing enthusiasts, the guys that want to go really, really, really fast on the track, they got it right here. Okay, and then for those who don't, I got the 60BaeGrey driving 60BaeGrey t-shirt on. Thank you, Markia. 60BaeGrey, no cap. Okay. Yeah, so we got the best of both worlds. If people want to drop the top and keep it moving and have some fun, they want to vibe out and just drop the top and have some fun. So I can market to two types of people, okay, if I decide to sell the car. So let's talk about what's in the Z51 package. I left my glasses inside. I'm not going to stop this video because I'm doing lighting, I'm doing filming, I'm doing editing, and I try to not edit as much. So you're just seeing everything in real time. My videos aren't going to be clean and super sharp like a TV program. We're not doing that. No cap. 60BaeGrey, real trap. All right. I'm not crazy, man. I just want to have some fun, man. You know. So anyway, with no glasses, I'm going to go ahead and try to read this. Okay. So the Z51 package for my car, it costs $6,345. Now the people that got out of line, all right, and said, I'll wait for the Z51 package, the price of the car went up, as well as the Z51 package went up. Right now it's about $6,800, give or take $20 or so. All right. So 60BaeGrey, you save some money, no cap. All right. So the Z51 Performance package includes rear axle performance ratio. Can't see that. All right. But it's there. High performance tires, we can see that. I'm going to show it to you in a second. And the thing about the tires is that they are racing tires, and I need all season tires. Okay. So because the weather around here dictates or mandates that I have all season tires. Okay. There's a Z51 Performance Suspension. Okay. So yeah, we can't see that, but we know it's there for when you're trying to make these turns at a high rate of speed. That suspension will keep the car bending like Beckham, no cap. Okay. All right. Then there's a spoiler. All right. It's a rear spoiler, and it's a Z51 spoiler. We'll show you that. There's a splitter as well. That's on the front. There's a electronic slip differential, Z51 Performance brakes. We'll show you that with the logo on the brake calipers. Also, heavy duty cooling system, performance exhaust. Okay. So, and that's what comes with the Z. I was just reading how I purchased my vehicle. That was the, I guess that's the sheet. What do you call it? I'm emotionally charged. This one came with the car. The rundown of what the standard equipment is and all the extras are. All right. So let's see what we're doing. All right. I'm going to show you guys. Start at the front and then work my way back. I know it's kind of dark. My apologies. Like I said, I'm having camera problems. So, this right here, that's the splitter. All right, and this is the tip of it right here. All right, that's the tip, and it's plastic. We're gonna do away with that. Okay, we're gonna come around. These are the racing tires, right? So you can see this is not all season, but we're going to do a video on tires, and you can see what the numbers are to prove that this is racing tires. Also, too, we have the rear calipers, and it has the Z51 logo on here, and I can't see the totality of it, but just know that it's there. Okay. I'm getting good at this. All right. I'm faking myself out. All right. Now we're inside my garage, so you see all my refrigerator and stuff. So anyway, let's keep the focus on the car. This is the spoiler. I showed you the front splitter, which is in the front. This is the Z51, the actual spoiler. Now there's a high wing spoiler. I didn't get that. All right. And then here's the performance exhaust right here. A lot of people don't like the tips, but that is the performance exhaust. And this is the other side over here. Now, let's take a look at the cooling system. Okay, it's a little dark. Like I said, I apologize, guys. But cooling system is right there. All right, so you can see the air intake goes in right there, and right here, right there is where the shoes fell. All right, so the air goes in there, and it allows the performance of the vehicle to operate smoothly. All right, like I do this camera. Whoa. All right, it's starting to get loose. All right, let me tighten it up, no cap. All right, We're gonna. Okay. All right. I know what happened. All right. Got it fixed. So there you have it. I was forced to get the Z51 package, and okay, we're at 9 minutes. So thanks for tuning in. The Z51 package. We're gonna do once I get enough miles, and I'll be able to open it up. So there you go. There it is, right there. No cap. Say hi. You could be driving or driving with 60BaeGrey. No cap. See you on the next video. 60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood, ripping this mic. What? No fun. You know 60BaeGrey got that real drip. No cap, no cap, no cap. Step back, step back, step. Dropping this heat. No cap, no cap, no cap. All you guys, all cap, all cap. I'm ripping this mic like splash, like that, like that. Fall back, I'm still on the mic, spitting facts like that, like that. Fall back, I'm still on the mic, spitting facts like that, like that. Step back, dropping this heat. No cap, no cap. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. You tell them 60.
Welcome to our music family.
60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood, ripping this mic. What? No fun. 60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood, ripping this mic. What? No fun. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. You tell them 60. Told you once and I told you twice. I'ma tell you again so you get it right. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. Got the sexy drip for y'all to stare. All y'all say 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey. Cause 60BaeGrey got the real drip and the sexy lane. All the ladies say 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey. Step back, dropping this heat. No cap, no cap. Step back, dropping this heat. No cap.
Welcome to our music family.
60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood, ripping this mic. What? No fun. 60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood, ripping this mic. What? No fun.